Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 30th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is stabilizing again today, so we are down $5.58. That's 0.51%, closed at $10.93.99. Post-market, we are up by 51 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. It's starting to look like a little bit of a congestion zone between 10.54.69 and 11.16.02. So we touched support 2 days ago. We touched resistance yesterday, and today we tested resistance, could not break it, and now are down a little bit. We have a longer wick at the top than at the bottom. So the sellers won that part a little bit. We are still making higher lows. So from that point, this is still good, but we are stabilizing a little bit in terms of the tops since yesterday and today. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So the first candle of the day was nice candle. So we started pretty much close to 1080. And we have a nice green candle for the first hour. Then we came down, tried to get back up again, but did not succeed. And then came pretty much back to where we started during the day. We see a little bit of a weakening here on the stochastic at 66, getting closer to 60. If you want to play this very tight on the daily chart, then you can use 1080. If we break 1080 and at the same time stochastic goes lower than 60, you might be able to catch a little bit of a downside here. But don't forget that on the daily chart, the stock is still very strong. So even though we might have a little bit of a downside on the daily chart, we still have an important resistance at 1054. So you need to keep that in mind. So if you catch a little bit of a downside tomorrow, then I would almost take profit at 1054.69. On the daily chart, stochastic remains extremely strong at 94. MACD still super great. RSI still overbought, and DMI is still great. Let's go take a look quickly at the VIX. It's been a while since we've looked at it. So VIX is still pretty much going down. So that's very good news for the stock market. Let's look at Dow Jones. So they're pretty much like Tesla. We started going up. We stabilized here a bit, and now we are going up further. So pretty much all of the indices are doing the same thing. So it's NASDAQ is a little bit weaker, NASDAQ Composite and also NASDAQ 100. But when we see these stochastics super high, the trend is still bullish in the short term. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can click on my TradingView affiliate link and you can become a YouTube member. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.